Hello, just a quick look around the 3 BARFORD TriAxles that we've just had arrive in. So they're dual air and hydraulic brake. They are hydraulic ramps, as you can see here. They're 27 foot long overall. They are 10 stud axles, commercial axles. 2 of them are on ADR and one of them is on granning axles. So they are commercial axles, and we have also strap box and shunt valve on each one. So fairly lucky to get hold of these at the current time. They've been very desperately short of low loaders this year, so while we have availability, these BARFORD TriAxle 27 foot 22 ton carry air and oil brakes commercial axles. Thank you for watching.